Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a bracelet out of beads and rubber bands. I have already put the rubber bands inside the beads, but I will show you guys as an example how it's done. So you just take a rubber band and you put it inside the bead. This is how it's done. The materials that you will need is rubber bands, some beads if you want some, any color, and a hook so you can connect the bracelet at the end. So let's get started. So I'm just twisting it on my finger, and then I'll put another one just straight. The first one you twist it and then the other one you don't, and then you flip it over like this. There you go. And then you just keep on going, doing the same process. Okay guys, so now my bracelet is done and I'll just have to connect it. So when you want to connect it, you'll get one of your rubber bands from one of your fingers and you'll put it on the other one. You'll take your hook and you'll just put it on like this. Then you take the other side and then you have to go like this and just take one part of it, doesn't matter. And then like this, and then your bracelet is done. It's just a really nice bracelet. You can wear it anywhere and you could use any colors you want. Thanks for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos from my channel.